10, 11, and 12 are doing your rules for logarithms. And since a logarithm is an inverse of an exponential function, the rules are kind of opposite. When we multiply x to the m times x to the n, we end up doing x to the m plus n. So when we multiply here, we add our exponents. When we're working with logarithms, if we're adding the logarithms, we're going to multiply our numbers together. So the log base 4 of 3 plus the log base 4 of 7 is going to be the log base 4 of 3 times 7, which is going to give me 21. With exponential functions, if I have x to the m divided by x to the n, I subtract x to the m minus n. So with logarithms, when I'm subtracting, I end up dividing when I combine my logarithms. So if I have log base 5 of 8 minus log base 5 of something, and I end up with log base 5 of 8 over 9, I know that value had to be the 9, which is what they divided by, right? And when we have x to the m raised to the nth power, we do x to the m times n. So what they're going to say here is if I'm multiplying my logarithm times something, it is then going to become my exponent. I'm going to raise it to that power. So this would be log base 8 of 5 to the second power. I then, of course, would evaluate 5 to the second power and get 25 there. So if the number's in front, I move it up to my exponent. So number 11, if I have log base 3 of 7 minus log base 3 of 5, I'm going to have log base 3 of 7 over 5. 7 divided by 5. Here I'm adding, so I'm saying the log base 7 of what times the log base 7 of 4 would give me the log base 7 of 12, and that box would have to be 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. Now in this one, I'm missing the number in front, so I'm thinking about that being this exponent. The 81 has to equal 3 to what power? What power would that be?
7? No.
Fourth power, right? 3 to the first is 3, 3 to the second is 9, then I have 27, and then 27 times 3 is 81. So that would be a 4, because 3 to the fourth power is 81. And number 12 then, log base 7 of 2 plus log base 7 of 9 would become log base 7 of 18, 2 times 9. Log base 5 of what minus the log base 5 of 7 becomes log base 5 of 6/7, and so our box would have to be the 6. 6 divided by 7. And then we have log base 8 of 25 equals 2 times the log base 8 of what? So we're saying 25 would equal what? 2, and that second power. And so what to the second power is 25? 5. So log base 8 of 5. And so 13, 14, I better pause my thing.